Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantech Markets for Tuesday the 22nd of April. I'm going to move on to sterling dollar now, and I'm just a little bit concerned that this move higher that we had last week on the back of the strong UK data has just run out of steam, and I'm a little bit in two minds as to whether this is due to the Easter break. It may well be, or it's something more sinister. The fact is that we had this break above that key high of 68.22. That was the key level that had remained intact, and was you had a failed move on the 10th of April. Yes, last week we had a move above that to 68.41. However, that was not excessively trusted by the bulls. And since then, this cable chart has sort of gone sideways and not really been any sort of conviction behind the move, and that does give me a little bit of concern. These 2 days here was during the back end of last week, and maybe you could argue that certainly that was due to the Easter break. Perhaps that was why we didn't get any sort of conviction follow through, which is why I think today could be a very interesting day for cable. And if we don't see any sort of real follow through and conviction behind this move to the upside above 68.22, I think you could begin to get a little bit of fatigue in this move, and that would give me a little bit of concern. I think ultimately this cable chart remains very strong and pushing higher, but I think just very near term you could get a little bit of fatigue in this move. These momentum indicators have just really sort of tapered off, they've gone sideways. These the MACD lines coming back together once more. The stochastics have they are overbought and just coming together again as well. So I think what we need to see today is a real return to the office for the forex traders that then push this trade forward to the upside. And if we don't get that break, that really confirmed move above 68.22 in today's trading, you may ultimately see some profit taking coming in, and that would be a concern. I think if you look at this intraday chart, you'll see that what we're in at the moment is a slight trading band. You could argue there's no real got this here. There's no significant suggestion of a sell-off quite yet. It's probably just as I said on the daily chart, just a consolidation. But I still think that we need to see some sort of follow through on that daily chart. These momentum indicators have subsequently just flattened off rather. Certainly the MACD lines and the RSI is sort of trading between 40 and 60 now. So that appears to be that is somewhat of a consolidation configuration. So I think we need, as I said, we need to see a decisive move either way, and that either way is below 67.70. If we saw a move below that, you'd certainly suggest that you could be seeing a bit of downside, or a move above that 68.41 mark that we saw at the back end of last week. And I think that those are the two levels that we are playing around with at the moment. We're pretty much bang in the middle of them at the moment, so it's difficult to say either way. Because there's a lack of real conviction in any of the indicators at the moment. But as I said, that daily chart is beginning to slightly concern me, and I think we need some conviction move on that chart. Sorry, that was euro dollar. So a conviction chart there. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on sterling dollar today. Don't forget the housing data at 3 o'clock, which could have an impact on this chart. And I will speak to you later. Thank you.